Imagine this, exactly 1 year from today, you're standing in the doorway of your new home. You've got the keys in your hands and that feeling of accomplishment is unreal. But just a year ago, you were overwhelmed about the whole buying process. It seemed like too much. Well, today I'm breaking it all down for you in hopes to making your dream of owning a home a reality. A lot of buyers say they're waiting for the perfect time. Waiting too long could really cost you. Let's talk about what you could be doing right now to start preparing. 1, check your credit score and get pre-approved. I had a past client who was sure that their credit score was where it needed to be. When they went to check their credit, they had an old collection that they weren't aware of that significantly affected their credit score by like 30 points. Luckily, they caught it and was able to fix it and do some disputes on their credit report. So that's why it's a great idea to check your credit score now. Don't wait until you're ready to buy a home. Check to see what's on your reports today. Step 2, I want you to do your research and understand all the different down payment assistance programs that are out there. There are a lot. Most people they believe that myth that you need 20% down to buy a home, but that's not always the case. There are a ton of programs and loan products out there that you could qualify for as little as 3% down or zero money down. I'm actually working with a buyer right now who just so happened to qualify for a really nice grant. It's in a small rural area and the income requirements are pretty strict and where the house is located is pretty strict, but he's qualifying for it. Step 3, you want to find the right realtor that's right for you. I always tell my clients, you want to find a realtor that educates you, you feel informed, you're comfortable with, and then it's time to start house hunting. Pro tip, it's always a good rule of thumb to find an agent, a realtor who you know is familiar with the area that you're looking for. So now you have checked your credit score, you've gotten pre-approved, you found the agent that you're comfortable with working with, house hunting. The market is constantly changing from a buyer's market to a seller's market to a balanced market and everything in between. So once you find that right home and you've written an offer and your offer has been accepted, we're not going to skip or forego on the inspections. It's so important. Step 5, we've made it through all of our inspections and any other negotiations that have to go back and forth when it comes to request repairs, etc. Now it's time for closing day. Closing day is that big day when everything comes together. But you don't want to forget about the cost of moving and setting up a new home. If you want a copy of my full buying checklist, grab it in the description below.